All right. I think we are back. Pretty sure we're back. Yes. Okay. God. We are actually back. Amazing. We are so back. Oh my God. This is my book map. You can see internet was down. Kind of annoying, huh? Dude, Austin crashed the stream. I know. What the heck? All right, try this again. I don't know what's going on. That was insane. Yeah, packet loss turned into complete entire internet disconnection. This is crazy how bad it is. I'm gonna run a continuous ping while this is going on here. The Telegram gurus nuked the stream. Probably, dude. Probably what it was, you know? The $48 million trade crashed everything, I know. So annoying. The same trade file. Oh, this is so good. Yeah, we're starting to get packet loss again. Incredible. It's amazing. I don't know if it's safe to trade today. It's insane. All right, we have a surprise visit from Goolsby. A surprise visit from Goolsby at CNBC. So that should be interesting. I don't know if it's safe for me to trade, to be honest. Like if I have it on an Apex position and I can't manage it, seems kind of funky. You know what I mean? Maybe open the charts on your phone too. I don't have TradeEvade on my phone, and I think if you're logged in both places at once, it logs you out. Yeah, we are back. But yeah, I don't know how long I could stay live for, actually. I mean, what in the world? Oh, I gotta pick the other stream. There we go. All right, there we go. All right. Can you use TradingView on mobile? Yeah, no. I know. I don't even have a real account to trade right now. I just have these stupid Apex accounts. So my AMP account is not provisioned yet. Let me see if they changed that. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Welcome to CQG. All right. Let's see if this works. Let's see. Hold on, make sure this is not going. Yeah, okay, good. Give me a second. I'm gonna set up something. TradingView, there we go. All right, let's see if this works. I'm gonna try to log in real quick. If this works, I'm gonna be so juiced. Dude, insane packet loss still. I need to definitely have a tech come out. Whoa. Yo, we're back. One of the account numbers there. Hold on. Wait, I think I'm blocking the account number though. Cool. Well, I'm in AMP. I can trade on AMP now. It appears. Well, that's good news. But I don't. Should I get risky? I'm still experiencing packet loss. I just don't think it's a good idea, right? I don't really think this is a good idea, but I kind of want to. Do I risk it? Do I get extra risky? Wait until Tuesday? What if I use like one setup that changes my life? Sick. Okay, trading platform all done. Dope. All right, let me chat into their support really quick and see if I could change my account from my number to a display thing. Goolsby's still yapping right now. Trump trades that one setup for life. I know. It's a fact. Okay, let's see if AMP support will help me with this. Because that would be annoying. Look at that, see? See these little gaps right here? Can you see that? Is that up right now? These little gaps are packet loss. So like I'm like literally flying blind during like this area right here. And it like as a momentum trader, every single millisecond matters, which is annoying. Hey bro, one question. What program do you use for order market? Are you asking what I execute on? On props, I execute on Tradeovate. On my real account, I execute on TradingView. Need that Starlink? Yeah. Need something. Need something that's better than this junk. Because this is crap. No. Thank you for Dodgy out. He needed to be humbled. He's such a fake. I've seen it myself. I fell for his marketing a year ago. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. Yeah, I mean, that's the whole point of me like kind of going after people like that is like there's young, impressionable men that I actually like, I feel bad for because like when I was younger, I was a retard, right? And when I was in my 20s, I was an absolute retard. Let's be honest. Like I was a complete and total retard. And you're impressionable. Men don't develop their prefrontal cortex all the way, I think, until 28 on average. And there's a lot of impressionable young men out there who follow a bunch of goofies, and that's just one of them. There's a lot of them out there. But, you know, I can't fault the young men who follow that because they're like, oh, this guy's my age. Like, he seems nice. Let's see what he has to offer. And then they just lie to you, straight up lie to you. I'm losing packets again. This sucks. But yeah, they just straight up lie to you. And it's just sad. It's just sad. And I just wanted to like put that on display. Like, it's just so obvious where it's just like, all right, dude, like you're yapping a lot. Just show a broker statement. One single month from this entire year. Just show 1 month that you were profitable and they'll do anything but that. And it just goes to show how low the bar is. Like you have somebody who's literally out there teaching people how to trade and they haven't even employed their own capital into a trading account. Like, I talk about this all the time. I ran an account from 100K to 741,000, took out 100,000. It's at $641,226 right now. I ran this account up because I just wanted to show, obviously, I can trade, and then obviously, you know, just have fun on stream and trade real live money. And, you know, when we have opportunities in the market, I'm genuinely upset if I'm not trading it in real money, because that's real money. And if your guru or mentor is not feeling the same way, like if they're like, oh, bro, you know, like I just took that setup on paper to just demonstrate to everybody, you know, like you're doing it to demonstrate what? Like, dude, if you have a setup that makes money, you take it with real money because you love money, right? It's just very obvious. And if you're not confident in your own abilities enough to trade with real money and take your own setups with real money, then clearly you're just teaching complete. I don't know why that all got bleeped out. But it's like, you should easily be able to show that you're not trading in paper, right? I posted today 2 posts on TradingView, on Twitter, on X, and it shows how fast you can do the scam. Like, how fast you can do the scam is just, you could do it like that. And all these people out there, they eat it up because they don't know any better. Because they're like, wow, a lot of people follow this person. This person must be legit. No, they're not. They're just not. They're all trading in replay. They're all trading in paper accounts. And, you know, it's just, it is what it is. It is what it is. It's unfortunate. Let's see if AMP support got back to me here. There you go. Let's see. The middle of the bell curve is 100 IQ, so there's a lot of people who are just not fit to be in the markets that are being taken advantage of. Yeah, there's a lot of them. I have to really email them? Oh my God. Come on. Hold on 1 second. Got to set a screenshot now. Just one more minute here. Once this is all set up, by the way, I'm never going to have to do any of this again. Cool. All right. We'll get that cooking in a minute. Yeah, I know they have a trade desk I can call. I just reached out to their chat support and they told me to email this email, so... let's see here. Community needs you, rips. The circus has become insane. Clowns everywhere and the blind leading the blind. I know. And then none of them can, dude, it takes 5 seconds to prove it. And if they're spending more than 5 seconds and they're writing you paragraphs of why they can't show you a broker statement, you're being lied to. Like, unfortunately, I know you don't want to believe it because there's people out there you just want to believe so bad. You want to believe so bad. Right? So bad. I just want to believe them so bad. They're lying to you. It's so easy to produce a broker statement. And if they're a profitable trader, they can show you at least 1 month where they made profit. And like, if they're not showing you, it's because they're trading too small or they're literally embarrassed about their trading performance. It's not something you should be embarrassed about, you know? It takes 5 seconds to produce. Rose, what toast you use to toast your toast? I don't have toast. So, no. You're using bookmap data or Rhythmic? Rhythmic has been freezing a lot lately. I'm using bookmap data. It's my internet connection because I'm running a continuous ping and it's still having packet loss. Let's see here. Dodgy is fake. Dude, yes. He can't produce a broker statement. Yes, completely, entirely fraudulent, fake, clown. Absolute clown. All right. New here. What strategy do you trade? Momentum and order flow. Let's see here. I'd give money to these people only if I started again. Rips, Monorock, IU, or STP. That's it. Good to know. Can tell it's replay. It's so obvious you can only do certain things in replay. Can't believe people don't see. I know. It's, dude, and the crop. Like the crop. Just stop cropping. Like, you don't have to crop. Show everything. Show that it's a live account. You don't have to crop that stuff. Come on now. What you cropping for? What's up, Copper? He's a prop firm trader, though. Again, show prop firm payouts. Show anything. Show anything, right? Show anything. Anything. Show payouts. Show consistent payouts. Like, it shouldn't be that difficult. Like, I traded a Tradeify account for 20 days, barely trying. I got a $30,000 payout. Barely trying. Like, doing it for funsies, dude. Like, barely trying. Barely trying. Like, it took like the energy that I have in the tip of my pinky. Okay? Like, barely trying to trade that account. I traded it for 20 days and I got $30,000 in payouts. It's a joke how easy that was. Why can't your little Zoomers do that? Where's, like, I don't get it. Was there news that caused a drop? Yes, Trump was truth socialing. My guru doesn't even know what a stop loss is. That's not good. Cut the crop, homies. That's what I'm saying. Stop cropping. Dodgy didn't know what supply and demand was 2 years ago. Dude, people were sending me DMs exposing the crap out of this kid. And like, I don't really care. I don't even know who this kid is. I just know that he has a bunch of people that glaze him because they're too retarded to understand otherwise. But like, I have no idea. Like, I have no idea who this person is. It's just funny because they're always posting like vague crap about like, oh, this setup will change your life. I'm like, cool, show your real money trade. They never do. Am I playing poker today? No, I'm taking my wife out for the whole Memorial Day weekend, actually. How do I learn your strategy? Watch free streams. Don't pay me a single dollar. Watch these free streams on YouTube and on X. Do not pay me a single dollar. How's that sound? They ate too much soy? That could explain the hair loss, maybe. How can people be traders and not be able to figure out what caused today's drop? Again, like, it's the same reason why people will believe paper traders on X. Did you go Intel or AMD on your new system? I have Intel. I have the Ultra. 285 Ultra, I think. I'm not sure. Let me see. What do I have? Ultra 9 285K. Running at 5 gigahertz. Sounds great, but I have no idea what I'm looking at in the middle of your screen, bro. That's Bookmap. Again, it's if you want to be good at trading, it's going to take you a lot of time. If you expect to come in here and come out with a couple things that all of a sudden you're going to be a great trader, you completely misunderstand the concept of what will make you a better trader. And that's the problem, is like, we live in an instant gratification society, so everybody's just like, oh, just tell me like A, B, and C what I need to do to be a trader. Doesn't exist. It never will. And if you think that's how it's going to work, like, I'm sorry to say it, you're probably not going to make it. Just the way that it works. Put your money in market, close eyes, and pray. Yes, that's the exact strategy. We are 8 minutes now from the top of the hour. I'm expecting some liquidity to come back on. I could see us actually reversing this entire move, to be honest with you. I mean, the idea that we're going down this much on potential tariffs is kind of like, I feel like we're going to repair that whole breakdown. There's a lot of single prints that we're going to have to recover. So I don't know. Is this like this right here is a noodle soup or something like that? So the reason why we dropped is because Trump came out with 2 truth socials. Let me read them to you. The first one is, I have long informed Tim Cook of Apple that I expect their iPhones that will be sold in the United States of America will be manufactured and built in the United States, not India or any place else. If that is not the case, a tariff of at least 25% must be paid by Apple to the US. Thank you for your attention to this matter. That was the first one. And then the second one was, the European Union, which was formed for the primary purpose of taking advantage of the United States on trade, has been very difficult to deal with, blah, 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 blah. Therefore, I'm recommending a straight 50% tariff on the European Union starting on June 1st. So again, not guarantees, but threats. Threats on both accounts. So obviously the market is rebalancing for those threats, given that the market is forward-looking, right? The market is always going to be forward-looking. So portfolio managers, hedge fund managers are going to be rebalancing their portfolios to expect that, which is why you see a big sell today. It's why Meta's down, Nvidia's down, all the Mag 7 is down. And so for that reason, we're seeing the market roll. However, because they're kind of threats and not realities yet, you could have a repair of the structure where you could have people coming back up, bring this back up, and then people shorting into this. So we'll have to see what happens off the open. I'm not confident enough to take any trades because of my network connection right now, but we'll see how that goes. Love it when he signs. Thank you for your attention to this matter. It cracks me up. Yeah, it's hilarious. Like, dude, if you didn't trade in 2016, you missed a lot of action. Nice. Tradeify next week. We're on next week on Tuesday. Doing an hour on Tradeify TV. Joel says, good morning. I normally watch PW, but I've been watching you more and enjoy it. Do you have a recommendation on where to learn setup and bookmap so it's cleaner? I've been trying to learn you just have to just rejigger the settings all around. Like, these settings I've been using for years, and they've made it through all the updates. And I think that like the default settings that you get now look completely different. Like, I have the colors completely backwards, like everything's different. But like, just because I have mine this way doesn't mean that it's the best way to have it. It's just the way that I've been reading it for this long. So, did he tweet that on Twitter? No, on Truth Social. You got to download Truth Social. Unfortunately, he doesn't use Twitter. Like, that was the great part about back in 2016, is that it was all on Twitter. There's one platform. Now it's like you have to have multiple platforms, which is annoying. So, you know, is what it is. Rips, your trades are explaining your poker to Trading Talk have been tremendously helped me, family. I just want to say thank you. Being here has made me a better trader 1,000%. Thank you. Yeah, for sure, man. I mean, Truth Social is his app, I'm pretty sure. This is called Spaceman BTC. Everybody's asking, like, how do I get these on my chart? Spaceman BTC key level. It's free for TradingView. Just waiting to see if we have, I can trade this account, but no. I don't know. Do I want to trade Apex today? Do I want to trade Tradeify? I might just wait until next week, to be honest with you. We'll see how the market opens. That's what we'll see. Do you trade similar to trades by Matt? No. I have a very unique style. I trade momentum and order flow. I scalp. I mean, I look for bigger trades, but like on a trade like this, like if I had my AMP account that was provisioned by then, I would have just slammed this short and looked for a refresh back at the previous week mid. It didn't get that higher. Probably would have added somewhere there. I didn't take the trade though, so I can't really talk about it. We could pretend, but that's not really my MO, so. Not trade Apex, then what? I don't know. Yes, I'm up and running with my AMP account, but it's showing the account number. So I think my thing is blocking out. Let me do something real quick here. Yeah, it's being blocked. Okay, so there you go. There's my AMP account. It's got 641,000 in it. So there we go. 641,000. What else can I show? Yeah, there you go. 641,000. How long did it take to deposit the AMP account? So I wired directly from EdgeClear. I didn't have them wire me first, so it was instant. They closed the account on EdgeClear yesterday. They batched the wire out. It hit when I was having lunch with my wife over at the Wynn. And yeah, it's freaking awesome. It's dope. It's the biggest account you've held, 8 figures. I've traded, and during COVID, I made a lot of money during COVID. This is just an account we have for fun for streaming. The idea, of course, was to run this up to 1 million. But as I get closer to 1 million, I'm kind of like, dude, I really want to like push this thing. I want to like try to run this up to 5 million, you know? But yeah, this is just a little account that we're doing just for streaming. Started it with 100K back on January 21st. But here, let me show you. I got the Meta glasses, and I think they're pretty dope. So like, you could see, like you could see me first person now. So like, I don't know. I'm thinking about cutting together like some shorts and stuff, but the Meta glasses are dope. You could like completely see first person now. So I thought it was pretty cool. I think it's pretty dope. Like the concept behind it is pretty sick. Like this is at lunch right here. Like it's in first person. So it's like you're living through Rips' eyes. It's pretty dope. So I don't know. I thought it was cool. I'm probably going to upload some content from those things, but I just got them and I'm just kind of learning how to use them, how to mess with them. 0 to 100 pulling the SF90. Dude, I have something a little bit gnarlier. How about 0 to 175? I wonder if I can upload that. It was on a closed course, I swear. Completely closed course. Don't mind me. I gotta find that. I think that might be it. Yeah, that's on a closed course for sure. Even if someone sees your AMP account number, you can only withdraw from their portal with your username and password, plus it only gets wired ACH to the account you fund it with, so don't worry. I know, but I still want to have, yeah, it is what it is. Whatever. Did you go to EDC? No, I didn't go to EDC. I was thinking about it, but then there was like way too many helicopter crashes and everything, and Lord knows I'm not going to drive in and like slum it. So the only way I'd ever go to EDC is in a helicopter, and I don't want to die. It's not worth it. So, you know what I mean? You should be able to give those to all your poker opponents and hope they wear them at the table. Yeah, I mean, I actually have 2 pairs because I actually ordered 2 by accident, so I don't know what I'm going to do with the second pair. I'm too lazy to return it. What was the reason for ditching EdgeClear in favor of AMP? I can trade more size on AMP. I can take 100. I can take 100. I can do 100. Hold on, let me see if I can flash 100. Dude, it would be so risky. Flash 100 at like... Let me see, can I flash 100? Let's try it with 20 first. Go way up here. This is such a bad idea. Let's see if this actually shows up. We can find out if AMP is B-booking me or not. What number are we at here? Let's do 818 3/4. Gold is spiking. 818 3/4. Okay, so there's 2 contracts there. Let's see. Is it too far for that to show up? I just don't want to risk this. Let's try like 5. 813. Let's do 813. I don't know why that's not showing up. Hold on. Let's do... $809? How's that not showing up? Does Bookmap just not go that high? Where are we trading right now? 790. Oh, because I have it back in time. That's why. Okay, so let's do, that's still gonna do that. Hold on, let me see here. Because I'm looking back in time. Let me see. 8:30. Try this. 8:30. Yep, it shows up. Okay, so watch this. Go look at your order book right now. Go look at your order book right now. And go look at the 8:30 and a quarter. Ready? Go watch 8:30 and a quarter really quick. Everybody over at 8:30 and a quarter? Watch this. Ready? Brah, there I am. That's me. Yeah, that's me. Big. It's a fake account though. Totally fake though. Dude, that's a great way to find out if your mentor's a real trader or not. Ready? Watch 8:30 and a quarter. Hey, look, it's me. Boop, boop. I'm flashy. Look at, they're gonna ban me for spoofing. There you go. That's how you know it's a real account. It's me. I'm the guy. It's me. There you go. But yeah, I can put on 100 now. Big 100. That is a great way to call somebody out, right? They're like, dude, this isn't the real account, bro. That's not the real account, bro. Yeah, really? It's not? How come I can flash 100, dog? I gotta change my quantity size back down. I don't want to get in any trouble. What's the most you can put? 100. They have me capped at 100. Any account over 100,000, they charge you 2,000 per NASDAQ mini. So I have 600K in the account, but they cap you at 100. And if you want to go over that, you have to have a discussion. But I'm not going to trade more than 100, you know? Crazy how fast it shows up on my book map. Yeah. I mean, that's how you can know. Like, dude, there you go. Dude, there was somebody on, some retard on Twitter who's like, none of your accounts are real. And it's like, okay, cool, man. Like, it's so easy to prove it in 100,000 different ways or 600,000 different ways, you know? 10 points worth 200K with 100 cons. No. 100 points is worth 200K, not 10 points, 100 points. A little bit different, 100 points. 10 points is worth 20 Gs, 20 Gs, which is still a tremendous amount, right? Still a very tremendous amount, but yeah. We are 25 minutes from the market opening. Yeah, 100 lots is a massive position. The largest that I've traded since January 21st was a 75 contract position. That's what put me on the radar, and that's why EdgeClear lowered my risk. They're like, we're, you know, not really comfortable with our risk team and blah. It's fine. They're a boutique brokerage. They're lovely. I love them. But AMP has a tremendously large risk desk, and they can handle larger size. So. But no, I love EdgeClear. I think they're great. It was nice that they were pacing me. It helped me grow the account slowly. I mean, not really. The account has been really kind of growing rapidly, but yeah, overall, it's been a tremendously strong experience with EdgeClear. I have nothing bad to say about EdgeClear. So anyway, hopefully we get a nice market open. I probably don't want to go into the weekend trading on AMP, so I'm probably just going to chill on my AMP. We can test trading on Apex here. Maybe we trade some Apex, but I don't know. We're only $8,000 away from passing these 300K accounts. Maybe we could get that. We made $2,300 per account. What are we up right now? 23, 41 times 20. We're up $46,000 in these things. So I can't wait for these to be PAs. And FX Guru said to me, yeah, bro, my strat works for futures. What should I reply? Show me your broker statement. That should be the response to anybody, by the way. Anybody's like, dude, I have the best strategy in the world. Cool. Show me your broker statement. Simple as that. Like that's so simple, right? Oh, cool. Nice. Can I see last month's broker statement? Simple as that. Show me last month's broker statement. And by the way, it's a huge crime if somebody gives you a doctored financial statement. Like that is such a huge crime. Like that is massive jail time. Massive jail time. What firm is the 300K on? I have 641,000. 300K? What do you... Do I look poor to you or something? What is going on? 300K. Ugh. Good Lord. Oh, you're talking about this funny money crap. Yeah, that's just Apex. Sorry. I thought you were talking about... My bad. Jeez. Killing me here. I know a broker in Chicago since the 90s that would let you trade any size as long as you give them a stop. I mean, stops can get ran through. Like, that seems kind of risky. Especially in this market, by the way, this Trump market that we're in. Like, dude, a lot of people, I mean, I can't really disclose this, but there's a lot of people that, can't really tell you why or how I know this, but there's a lot of people that are underwater at a couple clearing firms. A lot of money. Yeah, I just cracked a high noon. That's what that is. What are those things that are on the shelf in the background? I don't know. Some stuff, I guess. Just some things. Did AMP work with you a bit on the commissions? I still have to talk to them about that too. I'm not super concerned about it. I think it's like they got me at, I think it's $4 a round trip or $2 a round trip, I think. It might be $2 a round trip. I think it was $1 a round trip at EdgeClear. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It is what it is. Over time, yeah, it matters a little bit, but it is what it is. Once I start trading, I'll show them and they'll probably drop it down, so whatever. There's me proud of 10K and XFA. Yeah, no, I'm just trolling, dude. I'm just making fun of people. Some firms or some traders are underwater. Some clearing firms are owed money by traders, and that's gonna be tough to get back. So yeah. Dream hypercar. I mean, I have the favorite car I've ever had. It's weird. Like, sometimes I get bored. I start looking for other cars and I'm just like, dude, what do you, you have everything you want right now. You know, I have the car that I want, cars that I want, you know. Accidentally had a position on during news the other week and my $200 stop got slipped to 450 on a sim funded. Imagine having that live on slip for size. Dude, I had a stop when we were trading like 2-3 months ago. It's in the broker statement. I shared it. I had to stop at like $12,000 and it slipped me to 18,000. Straight up. Like, that's reality. That's called real trading. I tell this story often, but when I was trading equities, I had a crazy huge position on and the broker would not let me out because I was using an experimental route. If you understand about order routing and everything, it was an algorithmic route that was supposed to be great, and just magically it went down, and I swear they weren't booking me. Anyway, long story short. LaFerrari Aperta, I mean, they have one at the Vegas service center right now, but no, I mean, I love my car. I might be looking at getting the 296 Speciale Aperta, but I mean, I don't want to, like, if they need me to buy like a bunch of Ferrari Romas for that, I'm really not interested in doing that. I don't really care that much. Like, at the end of the day, I love my SF90. It's very fast. It's stupidly fast. It's jail time fast. And it really only has 2 speeds, stopped at a dead stop or jail time fast. So it's just ridiculous. Kind of defeats the purpose of a stop. No, that's just how it works, dude. If liquidity is not provided around your stop, there's not a magic liquidity man that comes in and is like, I got you, bro. Don't worry about it. I'll eat that for you. That's not how it works. The markets are, I mean, liquidity providers have a duty, but that duty can be relieved if there's enough players that are trying to get out at the same time. You know what I mean? Hey, Ribs, was it you that mentioned Jimmy Carr yesterday? Yeah, I'm going to see Jimmy Carr tonight. If you want to come murder me, I'm going to Jimmy Carr at the Encore Theater tonight. If you want to come murder me, I'm probably going to be, I'll be there around 7 p.m. Ever had it on a track? I haven't, but sometimes I treat the roads like they're my personal track. Assuming you're paying attention to the trade, stops aren't different than a manual market order. No. I mean, the way that it works is that your stop gets traded. There's 2 different types of stop orders. There's a stop order that is generally defaults to a market order, or there's a stop limit order. If you're using a stop limit order, you have a chance of like literally never getting filled, which is crazy, right? So for instance, let's just say, you know, we are, let's just say I have a stop limit here. Like, we're long and I have a stop limit at 758. Right, 758 evens. There's a chance on a Trump tweet this could crater right through that, and because 758 evens are not being offered, my order would just sit there as a limit sell at 758. It would never get executed. You know, it would never get executed. So at the end of the day, I never use stop limits. There's very few times that I'd ever use a stop limit order. Maybe if I'm trying to get into a position, for instance, let's just say like I have a sell stop here with a closed position because I'm looking to go short if we have another Trump tweet. There's a chance that my limit order would just sit there as well. So that's how that all works. So couldn't you just do no stop and market? Yeah, of course you could. But like, how fast are you compared to a computer, right? You'd want to just use a stop market. Like just a stop market order is just what you want to do. Link your location to dodge it. Please do. Please do. Slap the ever-loving crap out of that nonsense child. Rips, if I could copy trade 5 accounts with 1 con and I do well, I try to use accounts with 5 cons. I always F up. Is there anything I could work on, or is it just focusing trading on smaller size or more accounts? I mean, just trade 1 account, dude. What's your rush to trade 5 accounts? Just trade 1 account. There's no reason to trade that many accounts. How long to wait for a TPT activation to show up after the 2 emailed okay to go pro? I don't know, dude. I have no idea. I'm still waiting for my... let me see if I'm logged in here. Yeah, I still only have 3 TPT accounts over here. Kind of weird. I should trade these. I only have 3 of my TPT accounts and I've paid for 5, so I don't know, dude. I have no idea what's going on, Broseph. No idea. I wish I knew. Wish I worked for the company. Imagine going for 100 points with 100 lots. What about like 500 points with 100 lots? How about $1 million trade? That would be sweet. How do you not? Okay, look, I'm going to do this. Add as a moderator. Okay, try again, dude. See if this crashes the stream. Austin, you should be back with a blue gear. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you crashed the stream last time, bro. It's all you. It's your fault. Stop hacking me, dog. Love you right back. Just join. What's up with the NQ dropping? Did Trump tweet his broker statement? Dude, he's like, you want to see my broker statement? I'm sorry. Let me write 200 paragraphs of why I can't produce that for you. That's why. What about 1 point with 10,000? Good luck getting that fill. It's never going to happen. That's just not how the markets work. If you put up 10,000, like right now, if I have the capability to put up 10,000 contracts at 790, unless somebody is like balls to the walls short and they need to cover 10,000 contracts, the market will literally drop away from that because that's how algorithms are programmed. Market's only down today. Yeah, sell the rips today, right? Who knows? Do we think... Reading the wrong chat right now. Whoops. I need to cool my office down here. It is so hot in Vegas right now. It is 72 degrees already. My God. I wrote the algorithm. Dude, if you look at my latest Twitter post, it's pretty clear that I wrote the algorithm. How is that Twitter post doing, by the way? Are we cooking? Let me bring this up over here. Let's see some Twitter. Let's read some brain rot, shall we? This, by the way, is kind of mind-blowing. The invention of the word boob, top view, front view, side view. I mean, they're not wrong, right? Not wrong. Oh, Lord. This is going to take forever. This guy is so funny.
You guys should just join and watch some guy paper trade all day. You too can learn how to trade paper and sell a Discord.
People are so weird. Like the people that defend somebody like that. Hi, Ribsky. Please tell me how to use the volume profile. We'll talk about that next week. Let's do that next week when I'm in the mood for more of that kind of stuff. You have a $10,000 Discord. Imagine paying to learn to be profitable from someone who refuses to prove they're profitable, then defending the unprofitable as they embarrass themselves publicly. Amen. Like that one. Diet Pepsi. That is so good. Dude, I'm so sick of these Twitter bots. They're just so annoying. So annoying. Bro, let me get a few points. The same trade. It's so good. Dude, what is it? This don't change your life. What is it? It's me trolling, bro. Come on. How are like? Oh, I feel bad. I feel bad that people like that people can't. Good God. I swear, just blocking all these accounts is just pointless. I do this all the time. By the way, it's these accounts right here that I'm blocking. It's all these spam accounts. Dude, it's so funny. Mentor, my mentor. Dude, imagine thinking that somebody at this age is like, dude, I'm just a professional trader now. I've mastered the market. I've just mastered the market, man. Mr. Rewards garbage. This is crazy. This is crazy town. I can't believe it. Look at this. It's like they say, bro. If you got haters, you're doing something right. Nah, bro. If you're being lied to by somebody who can't produce a broker statement in literally 30 seconds. Come on. What is this nonsense? You're such a cornball. I sent him my dude. Do you folks want to see what this dude sent me? Like, I thought he was trolling. Do you want to see what this guy sent me? I literally thought he was trolling. I'm not even kidding. Do my messages work? Oh, dude, hacked. Hacked, bro. How annoying is that? Can I actually pull this up? It's actually embarrassing. I thought it was like a troll. I literally thought it was a troll. Why are DMs broken right now? This is so annoying, dude. Can I pull it up on my phone? How to get my name Rips? From selling Rips, buying Rips. It's a market thing. Okay, wait, can I send this to myself? This is, okay. I gotta send this to myself. I'm not even joking. This is what this dude sent me. This is the size and everything of which he sent me. I'm not even kidding. You think I'm gonna be trolling, but I'm not. Dead serious, this is what this clown sent me. Look at this. This is the broker statement he sent me. Look at this. I'm not even joking. In this size, let's zoom in. Look at this. This is look at how much is blacked out. And this is not a broker statement. This is a trading. This could be for a prop account. This could be for a paper account. This is all it says. Winning trades 36, losing trades 14. Are you serious, bro? Like, this is in the Zoomer's mind. This is like what trading proof is. Is this for real? This is literally the entire picture that they sent. Can you believe that? This is it. They're like, dude, and he's like, bro, don't share this with anybody. Like, share what, dude? Don't share this with anybody. Share what, dude? What am I sharing? I mean, you think I'm kidding? Like, look, I can pull up the DM. Like, look, this is the DM on my phone. This is from him. And he goes, literally, please do not share. I don't share financials on the internet. What part of this is financials, you retard? What? Oh, I took 54 trades, 36 were winning, 14 were losing. And everything is blacked out. Like, are you serious? What the What the People are paying this person, by the way. People are paying this person. I swear to God, people are paying this person. People are paying this person. Bro, he's so good. NGL cooked. That's bussin', no cap, dog. You so bussin', bro. Bro, he's bussin', no cap. I wish his father bust no cap. Then he wouldn't be here. That's bussin' on God, bro. Like, dude, what the Seriously. Like that, like I thought he was trolling when he sent that to me. Because I'm like, this is a joke, right? Don't share my financials with anybody, bro. It's so ridiculous. All right, we are 6 minutes away now from the market opening. It's kind of insane, dude, that people fall for this grift. It's actually insane. Dude, please don't share that with anybody, please. Please don't share this. It shows that it's a trade-away account and there's winning trades and losing trades. Don't share it. Super private, bro. Super private. So private, man. Oh, Gord. Oh, Gord. What's up with the liquidity at 925? It's algorithms turning on, my guy. Make a course, fake it till you make it. It is more lucrative than actually trading. I disagree. Yeah, somebody's going to track him down with that level of detail. Dude, it's like everything was exposed in that. Like, so much financial information. Freaking insane, dude. Ah, good God. Oh, dude, my X chat has been closed this whole time. All right, X chat is back. Sick. Good sir, did your account get moved over to M today? Yes, it did. My good sir. Besant just said, Trump believes EU proposals have not been of good quality. Trump 50% tariff threat is response to EU's pace on tariffs, but we are moving swiftly. There you go. Have you always been skilled at speaking off the cover? Did you develop that over time? I mean, I don't know. No idea. Try highlighting the text under the blacked out part. Dude, it's just an image. It's just an image. It's the dude sent me like an image that's like literally in 180p. So ridiculous. What's correlation with bond yields again? Yields up, stocks down. Yes, generally speaking. Fixies up, equities down. Fixies are a way to park lots of funds if you're guaranteed a yield on them. It's just, think about it this way. If you can be guaranteed a yield that's going to beat what you would get with trading stocks or investing in stocks long term, you would flock to those yields, right? There's models of risk and reward. So if the model says that there's much lower risk, but almost a guaranteed, well, there is a guaranteed yield on fixies. And if that model suggests that in the current landscape, over time, like the same models that kind of can predict weather, these hedge funds are using these very advanced models doing long-term predictions. Is it better to flock to long-term yields or fixies, even short-term fixies, instead of equities? That's why fixies up, equities down, because they're pulling from equities and they're going to fixies. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. That was worth the price of admission right there. There you go. We all learned something together today. Now you can't leave the stream saying you didn't learn something. As long as epic. Yeah, I mean, Vicent is yapping. Market's opening in 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes, everybody. I assume it's a Whoop, but I like to pretend you're wearing 2 watches. One for New York Times. Yeah, 2 watches, baby. No, one's a Whoop. There you go. I got the new Whoop MG with the life subscription. Thing is sick. I haven't charged it since I got it. I've had it for a week and a half, and the current battery life is at 23%. Isn't that insane? Where can I pay you for that info? Tell you what, save that money, baby. Ribs, please don't share this with anyone. It's super private, even though I'm sharing this. Yeah, exactly. Nice work. Ribs, is it true that you have cats? Of course, dude. I got 2 Bengal cats. Most amazing creatures on planet Earth. Indicator I use. Spaceman, BTC, Q level. Is a new Whoop subscription with blood pressure worth it in your opinion? Yes. I mean, you're paying $300 for a year. Of course it's worth it. I used to not be a cat person, believe it or not. And then I got my Bengals and I was like, whoa, cats are dope. I've been a dog person my whole life. Yeah, less than $1 a day. You do make a good point. Does your cat have broker statements? If not, we gotta cancel. I'm gonna get them locked in. Don't worry. Freaking amp saying that they're not going to change my display name. Come on, dude. I wasn't born yesterday. You can change it. Just stop being lazy, bro. I hate when people are lazy. They're like, have you ever been to like a retail? I barely ever go to retail stores anymore. But like, oh, market's open. Story time is canceled. Story time has been canceled. Oh, look it. We are getting lag again. Lovely. What do we think? Did the market's gonna spool up and start swiping at liquidity? Do we think it's gonna hold above 860s here? Or is this just a bluff? Yeah, of course I go to retail stores, but I don't make a habit of it. I do most of my shopping online. All right, I shop on Amazon. I don't make a habit of going to retail stores. Woo! All right, let me put this over here. Markets are getting zesty, dude. Can Vicent save this market? 57.89 is trading the S&Ps right now. Dude, Tesla's coming down and with a fury, with a vengeance. Long weekend dump day. I mean, it would make sense for bigger funds to vacate their equity positions. Vanquish equity positions. Make a lot of sense. Yeah, markets are getting extras. Look at, okay, see how my book map's pausing? It's because I have packet loss, and this is like, makes it super annoying to try to trade on this stuff. So I don't know. We're still just in this choppy range right now. Yeah, it could be the trade that changes your life, my friend. If we want to go lower, we have to break down. Look at this freaking packet loss. So we have to break down below like 820. It's hard to read when you have consistent packet loss. S&Ps are dancing around here. Just kind of meandering between 830 and 860 right now. 30 handle range. I'm all in on longs? Well, good luck to you. S&Ps are tickling around that 5790 level. Not breaking through yet. I mean, they did earlier. They tucked above it, but nothing crazy. What, I have packet loss? Something wrong with my, I think it's my modem. I think it's overheating, to be honest with you. Okay, 5790s are trading again. We're just sweeping liquidity both sides. Seeing if there's anything worth taking right now. Right now, nothing. We're just, dude, this packet loss is killing me, bro. I thought it was the markets earlier this week, but now I know it's clear that it's just straight packet loss. Straight doo-doo butter. 880s are kind of rejecting. I wonder if we're going to tool all the way up and like reclaim 900s here. I mean, that could make a lot of sense. 5795s are trading too. There's just a lot of liquidity above us that keeps on getting taxed. So 890s are trading. If we broke out these 900s, I think it could get pretty bricked up. Yeah, Apex is only 50% off right now. I think they're probably going to do a Memorial Day sale, but I don't know. I have no idea. I have no clue. Let's see if we get up and over these 900s here. I think that'd be interesting if we reclaim 900s and we start cooking. There's a good chance that we could reject there as well. So 900s are being claimed. My internet's still freezing. Can we get above like 910? Yeah. 910's just swept. Oh, that was a weird fill. Interesting. I don't know if that was because of lag or what, but that was a weird fill. It might just be all this packet loss I have that's causing this. I'm out, just double my account size. Nice. I don't know, it might be too risky to continue trading with packet loss. Do you see how, like above me, you see how it keeps on lagging? Anyway, we made $855. I mean, it's something, right? Took a long, covered it. It's something. I don't know if it's even worthwhile continuing to trade. I just wanted to have like a small trade that kicked things off. I really want to stay into a trade here, but it just seems like awfully risky with the fact that I'm having connectivity issues nonstop here. But yeah, I mean, we talked about this thesis earlier on. Like, we're going to go back and repair all these single prints. We could easily go back to 970 here. The problem is like, I read order flow in a rhythm. And so when it keeps on cutting out, that rhythm cuts out. And it's hard for my brain to kind of comprehend sort of what's going on in that rhythm when we keep pausing, right? Like, this should be a nice steady rhythm of buyers. I mean, look at how slow this is. It's crazy. It says it's catching up. This is an insane grind, though. This can easily be cooked if we have any kind of dissent news or Trump tweet or anything. It's my internet. It's just my internet. It has nothing to do with anything outside of my internet. It has nothing to do with the connections of any of these products. It's simply my connection to the internet. And I think it's because my modem is overheating. So, it is what it is. If I pay you 10K, would you teach me how to read Bookmap personally? No. I don't have the time, dude. Wow, 950. Look at it go. Dude, you see what I'm saying? Like, I just want to read this rhythm a little bit better. You see how it keeps pausing? Look at that. You can see above my head. Like, Bookmap just keeps stuttering and pausing and stuttering and pausing. It has nothing to do with other than the fact of the internet connection. Spectrum has improved. Like, I want to get Google Fiber. I wonder when they're going to start offering that in my area. Be sick. Previous week mid is being tagged right now. Dude, it's not worth my time. 20K, it's literally not worth my time. I can make that in a trade in 30 seconds. Like, it's just not worth my time. I'm sorry. Like, I'm very busy. Like, I do the stream in the morning, and then like this is, I'm very limited on my time, and I enjoy my life. I'm sorry, but it's never gonna happen. You can watch the free streams. That's probably your best bet. Watch the free streams and. Did you try to pass the Series 3 again, or you took a break from studying? I mean, I don't really need to. I have no need for a Series 3, so. Hindsight is the worst thing for me. I take a trade, not doing it, and it works out. It's okay. Like, start trading on a paper account and then start taking those trades and see how they work out for you. That's all you really need to do. That's it. That's literally it. We're rejecting it the previous week mid. If we blow this out, we have 58.10 up to the north side here in the S&Ps. I'm just being honest with you. I don't know if I could trade this. I just really don't know if I could trade this with the way that Bookmap's. Like, I rely on Bookmap and reading the time and sales in Bookmap heavily in my strategy, and the way that it's throwing off my rhythm right now leads me to not have confidence in trades, which is why I only took 5 contracts in this real money trade. So. Let's see here. Buy Bookmap Global Plus account with data add-on and watch YouTube tutorials, Game Changer. Yeah, there you go. There you go. I liked your quick clip of realization that they're disciplined people in the world. They're undisciplined people in the world. Yeah. I mean, there are. Most people are just undisciplined, unfortunately. Discipline is the key to success, in my opinion. I don't know, folks. I'm going to have to end up locking this up. Like, we made $855. Do you see, like, okay, like, as I'm talking, do you see how Bookmap just like went from here to immediately sweeping? And like, I don't get to see that happen in real time. And so like the rhythm that I perceive this in is completely thrown off. So I think I might just have to wait until Tuesday to trade. I have to call somebody from my ISP to come out here and replace my modem, because this is actually a joke. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Let me run this. What's the terminal command to clear the screen? So like clear CLR. What is it? CLS. Thank you. Let's see here. Let's ping Google servers. All right, let's see. This is exciting stuff, by the way. Let's see. Let's see how often this is getting packet loss. Ribs be slapping YOLO 100 contracts, V-shape recovery. Dude. I mean, that ping seems fine so far, but... Do you see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? Like, you want me to trade with real money in that environment? Look, it's gonna time out again. This is so annoying. How annoying is this? And by the way, like, stop streaming trade. No, dude, I'm not gonna trade today. Like, dude, it's Friday, you know? I'm not gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. It's Friday. It's a long weekend. Dude, look, this is gonna pay for one of the tickets for Jimmy Carr tonight. So we got one ticket paid for. It's my ISP. So, any questions before I go? That's it for me. I'm making $855 on my AMP account today. Yeehaw. Anybody have any questions? Because I can't trade this. It's frustrating. It's whatever. But we're at 642,000 now. Go us. Yeah, let's do a giveaway. How about we do a giveaway? You folks want to do a giveaway? We could do that. I'm down with that. You down with OPP? Yeah. Oh yeah, we made money in our Apex account too before we went live. Risky, but whatever. You ever trade anything else in NQ? Yeah, ES. Trade a lot of ES when the market was super volatile because there's a lot more liquidity in the ES. When you're trading real money, these things actually matter. These are things that you actually consider. So there was much more liquidity in the S&P. So when I'm trying to take like 30 contracts in the NASDAQ, it's kind of scary when they're like jumping liquidity by 4 handles at a time. So I used S&Ps where you have like a quarter of slippage, if that, you know. So giveaway time. Tom Jones says, Ribs, get in something, please, so I can fade. Well, dude, look, if you would have faded that, you would have lost money. So I'm sorry to say, but you can go and suck my fade that, dog. Tell your mom to be on time tonight, too. I think the show starts at 7:30. Have her be there at like 9 and I'll be ready for her. Okay, so let's do a giveaway here. Let's do a giveaway. All right, so Rip Smart, if you would, please. Imagine fading someone who made as much as you have last month. Yeah, dude, people are fine. I don't care. I don't care what people think about my trading. It literally doesn't change anything. I'm rich, they're broke. End of story. All right, so click the thing that says, let's do the one that says Tradeify sale. Click that one, Tradeify sale. Scroll down, we're gonna find a keyword together. Scroll down to, okay, see the new one that says Tradeify TV? And by the way, you have to type in the keyword one single time, okay? VIP is gonna get 10x the luck, by the way. If you have a green name, you get 10x the luck. Start your day with real-time market blank. Type in that word one single time in YouTube chat. Type that in the YouTube chat and you'll be entered to the giveaway. Type it in one single time. Start your day with real-time market blank. Oh yeah, thank you. Don't forget the X giveaway. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I could do that one first. All right, let's do the X giveaway. You're right. My bad. My bad. Ging, 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 ging. God, people are so so funny. All right, let me find that tweet. I've been tweeting so much, so yesterday was hilarious. What was it? The Apex tweet? Yeah, this one. Okay, so we'll do X picker. All right. All right, let's get this fired up. This is for people who retweeted 5 free Apex accounts, so we're gonna do 5 winners for this one. Winner count 1, minimum tweet any, 1 week any, 0 minimum followers. You don't need a profile picture. Cool. All right, first winner of a free Apex account is going to be Kamal. Nice work, buddy. Winning a free Apex account, my man. Let's see here. See if you follow me. Yep, you follow me. You follow the instructions. Congrats, 1 free Apex. Cool. All right, next winner. Here we go. Next winner is going to be Parmeet. Nice. I've seen you a lot lately. Nice work, buddy. My man. Parmeet in the building. Oh, dude, you already won before. Sick. I don't know how these people win all the time. It's crazy. Professional giveaway winners. It's pretty dope. Okay, next winner. That's 2. We got 3 more. And then we're going to move on to the YouTube giveaway. Mamba. Mamba D Fresh. Hell yeah, bro. I gotta turn on my AC in my office. It's way too hot in here. There we go. It was cooling to 80 degrees. Yeah, that's not gonna work, homie. Freaking eco beat, dude. All right, Mamba. You do follow me. I got you, dog. There you go. One free Apex. If you did win this, by the way, I will be sending you the coupon code after the stream. All right, next winner. Here we come. 2 more winners for this one. Pradeep Baliga. You better believe me. I think you won before too. Dude, these people are like giveaway goats. Yeah, you have won before, dude. What's wrong with all of you that aren't winning? You gotta learn the secrets from these folks. All right, next winner. Last winner of the free Apex account for retweeting that tweet. Rock in the building. That's a cute puppers right there. All right, let's see. Make sure you follow me. Bro, check this out. Look at this. Dude doesn't follow me. How do you not follow me? Oh, maybe he was one of the Discord members from that other oof size large. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, homie. Can't give it to you. Don't follow me. Such is life. Final winner. Cam. I think you've won too, dude. These people are goated. These people are the truth. Yep, you do follow me. Cool. Awesome. All right, there's our winners for the Apex giveaway. Dope. I'll send you those coupon codes later. Let's give away some free months of MC. First winner, you're going to have a minute to claim. We'll give away 3 free months. That's you, Cam? Nice. Thanks for being here, buddy. Okay, Roberto. Tell me what your name is on X or on Instagram, and then I'll send you the code to come jump in the Discord and hang out with the, there you go. You see how fast that was? All right, next winner. Congratulations to you. Bro, what is going on with X right now? What the heck is going on? Like, I can't search anybody? What is happening? What the heck? Bro, for real? Okay, I can do that. Send you the thing. There you go, my man. It's for you, Roberto. Congrats. They had a fire. They did. Wait, are you for real? At Twitter, they did? I thought you changed this code to code RIPS. Oh, it works on both. Humble. It works on both. They had a fire at the data. Dude, that is crazy if that's true. Let me see. Fire at X data center. Whoa, no way, dude. You weren't lying. That's cool. Not cool, but like, it was cool that you're not lying. Breaking news here on the thing. Tyler, come on. Come on down. Must have been Zuck. Dude, it's definitely arson. There's so many videos that I've like there's like a bunch of like boomers going around like, hey, what's up, Tyler? There's a bunch of boomers going around that are like keying cars, like Teslas. And then like people confront them. They're like, why do you support a Nazi? Like, bro, how cooked is your brain? Like, for real. Calling Elon Musk a Nazi because you're driving a car made by Tesla. Hopefully this is on X. Nope, it's gotta be on Instagram. I'm checking on Instagram, homie. Instagram. Yeah, you do follow me, my man. Yes, sir. Welcome to the club, dog. Oh, nice. We've chatted before. See, I like that. People who I've actually had a conversation with. People that are dope. There you go. Congratulations. All right, next one. Joe Clark. I'm going to keep on giving this away until we have one person that doesn't claim. How about that? That works. I don't care. Let's have fun. You know? Let's have fun. Not to mention they're driving cars made by actual Nazis. Yeah, it's true. That's some deep. That's a deep cut in history right there. How do you join? Just type in the word insights, bros. Dang, is the giveaway gonna end because of Joe Clark? Oh no. Don't end it for us, bro. If he doesn't respond in time, then we're doing one more. Come on, Joe. Oh, come on. You're ruining it for everybody. That sucks. I was excited. I was like, oh, we're going to give away like 20. All right, so final one now. Thanks to Joe. Trader Joe, 214. I think I know who this is. Please, 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 please be the person I think it is, because you're a dope person on Twitter, if it's the same person I think it is. It's not the Trader Joe guy. It's a different guy. It's a different guy. Hey, okay. Username on X. Just keep spamming it until it shows up. It's not the same guy. Okay. Folks, don't put the @ symbol. It screws things up, but I'm surprised that one got through. Oh my God, something. Hold on. There's a tweet. No, oh, this is a different version. Nice work there. Trader Joe, my man. Oh, and we've talked before. Nice, dude. You've won before. It's super sick. And my internet's freezing. All right, folks. I got to get out of here because my internet is dying. I hope you all have a blessed weekend. I really do. All trolling aside, I wish the best for anybody who's learning to trade. It's a very difficult thing. Okay, trading is going to be the hardest thing that you ever do as far as like a profession to take on. There's no one right way to trade. It's very difficult, okay? It's extremely difficult. If you think that you're going to learn from some person out there who's telling you, like, don't worry, it's going to take you 30 days to learn how to trade, 60 days how to learn how to trade. It's not. It's going to take you years and years and years of losing to finally get so sick of losing that you start to turn a corner and start to reprogram your psychology. Tell you the secret. Most trading strategies do work. It's the psychology of being able to put on a trade in a real market and leave it on when it's working and take it off when it's not working and have the gusto to actually find who you are within yourself to be the best version of yourself. That's the hardest part about trading, folks. Hope you have a great weekend. Hope you have a great Memorial Day holiday. I'm going to be back here on Tuesday. I'll see you folks then. Be good. If you're going to party this weekend, don't party too hard. Don't drink and drive. Call an Uber, call a Lyft. Have a good one. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. See ya. Bye. Bye.